There you go, good boy. He's got to chill out, huh? That's right. Let me get on. Come here. Come on. Come on. I got you, man. I got you. You're all right. You're all right. Let me just get another toe. Ow! Come on, let me get another toenail. You all right? It's okay. Hey, watch it. Oh! Come on, man. Chill out. Chill.
He's freaking out.
Chill. Come on, man. I just want to get this toenail. Come on, seriously. Ow! Jesus Christ. Seriously. You seriously. Just let me get the toenail. I got it. It's okay. It's okay, Sydney. I got it. Really? Come on, let me get it. It's right here. Oh, man, the hip. Look at you. Come on, get out of here then.
Okay, Dad, come on.
Okay, let's go.